Yes, good morning, brother. This is Shay. I'm going to give you 3 instant tips that you can use right now today to help with sexual performance anxiety. And if you take this information seriously and listen to it, you will have 3 new tools that will help you to start staying hard during sex and to avoid a permanent erection problem. So let's get straight into it. And where this has come from is my own experience and also from speaking with hundreds of guys by now to see what works and what doesn't work. First up, the power of breathing. This sounds so obvious, but just hear me on this. When we're in the moment and the thought comes into our mind of what if I can't stay hard, our nervous system starts to freak out, right? You'll know that all of the focus goes onto that question, and then usually we get the thing that we don't want. We lose the erection. So we have 2 choices in that moment. Either A, to freak out, let our nervous system go out of control, put all of our focus and energy trying to control that moment, and we know what happens there most of the time. Or to take a breath, okay? And that's breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. It's okay to ask for a moment just to do this, or to get some water or to go to the toilet, whatever it may be. Do what you need to do to just be able to help your nervous system stay calmer than freaking out. So that's the first thing, because freaking out doesn't help, okay? So we may as well do something that does help in that moment. Second tip is to speak to someone and get guidance from someone that's been through this, okay? Rather than wishing or hoping things will change, it's time to actually talk to somebody that understands this, who's either been through it themselves or has a lot of experience with people that have been through it. Now, why do I say this? And whether it's me that you speak to or somebody else, because when I did this, that's when everything changed for me. Often I speak to guys and they'll go to the doctor, and it's important to do that to make sure medically everything is okay. But often they jump straight to pills, right? And that can lead to other complications or other things that we don't really want going on. Most of the time the pills are not needed. It's just kind of masking the symptoms rather than dealing with what's actually going on and getting it sorted. So that's the second tip, is speak to somebody that has been through this, that has experience of this, right? Get the guidance from someone that's been through it. When you do, everything changes. And I know that can feel a bit uncomfortable to reach out and have that conversation, but that feeling of uncomfortability is a sign that you're taking a step in the right direction. And the third step is to know where you're at right now, today. So there's something that I call the sex loop. It's a loop that has 3 stages that basically will help you understand which stage you're at today, so that you know what to do so that you can get the right tools to get this fixed and stay hard during sex. So in the comments below, I've put a link to that video. It's a 2-minute video. Just wanted to have it separate to this so that this one wasn't too long. And you can go on and click on that, and you'll be able to watch that 2-minute video of the sex loop, and then you will identify exactly which stage you're at. I've also included on that page a free guide that will show you the number 1 mistake that men make that causes a permanent erection problem. So get that guide and read it, because then you will avoid that mistake and avoid a lifelong erection problem. Okay, that's it for now. So head to that link below and check out the sex loop video, understand which stage you're at.